first leave scene, and also the first flow of information that Samsung plans to launch the new Galaxy J5 Edge in the subsequent 2018. Yes, you have discovered that nicely, Edge. Such news is brought to us from the famed Chinese website Weibo.com. This isn't yet formally supported by Samsung, therefore such information ought to be taken with a dose of doubt. The graphics with this latest render differs in layout from what we'd observed previously. The newest graphics reveals the forthcoming Galaxy J5 Edge, including quite narrow eyeglasses, all in one on either side, with the double-side full-screen Samsung's border-effective layout. The apparatus Galaxy J5 Edge includes a rounded border display, as judged from the images quite like that of the Galaxy S7. The newest Galaxy J5 Edge includes a fingerprint detector and physical button in the front. In terms of hardware, we now have a few details to go on. Samsung Galaxy J5 Edge must include a 5.2-inch AMOLED display, 4GB RAM with 64GB internal memory. New Samsung Galaxy J5 Edge cell phone is anticipated that it needs to be outfitted with Exynos 7878 Octa chipset, dependent on Cortex A53 Octa Heart 1.8 GHz 64-bit processor. Additionally, Samsung Galaxy J5 Edge are thought to incorporate a 3300 mAh non-removable Li-ion battery using charging. Galaxy J5 Edge camera is going to likely be 16-megapixel main camera along with 12-megapixel front camera. Samsung Galaxy J5 Edge 2018 will operate under Android 8.0 Oreo OS. Galaxy J5 Edge cost will probably be approximately $220. The anticipated Samsung Galaxy J5 2018 launch date could maintain 3Q 2018, according to the very same rumors to anticipate at precisely the exact same time launch of Samsung Galaxy J7 Edge 2018.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe now.